Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to find DCU account number. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on DCU, you can use our link in the description below and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Google, just search for DCU customer service, and right here if you search it, you will be presented rightly away by information about their contact information, and you just need to contact them using your phone using this number, and on weekdays from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. and Saturdays from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern time, and make sure that you ready your problem, and ask for them to help you how to find your account number on DCU. And yeah, that's it. So if you want to find more information, just click on the website and you will be redirected to this page, and you will see there also their branch location if you scroll up, and also there more information about DCU, and also their email that you can contact. And yeah, that's it. But I recommend you that you call them through their phone number because it's easier and faster. And also, if you have some time, you can also use live chat support. So this is their live chat support. So you can click it and address your problem right here by asking. So if you want to send a message, just type whatever you want to get addressed. So for example, I want to find my account number, right? So I just need to search for I just need to send a message on how to find my account number, and right there they will send me a guidelines on how I can find my account number. And yeah, that's it. That's the way to find your account number on DCU. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.